This is me, the dad, Ficus, of Ficus and Toast. I'm doing a little lathe work here, precision lathe work. Have to be within plus or minus 2 thou. I'd like to be a little bit better than that. But as you can see, I'm an amateur. Not really, but almost got cut there. Almost got hit with shards of, junk. That's tight, that's tight. Oh, yep, let's get her there. Stop. Alright, back her off. Send her back in. 10, 15, 20 thou. I think it was like 20 thou. Send her back through. Looking good. Automatic feed. Running at right around 1200 RPMs. Look at those nice blue chips. That's a good cut. Looks pretty shiny. Looks pretty nice. I like it. Get her close. Got the air kicked on. Need the air to keep my nice little piece of steel cool and not expanding as I go because it's getting hot. Don't want it to get too hot. Gets too hot, it'll expand and then I'll cut too much off. Can't keep it in tolerance. Got my nice little carbide insert there on my lathe tool. I don't know, cranked in at just a little angle. Keeping it nice. Chip looked good, looks good. Get her close. Not too close, don't want to run her into the chuck. Stop her. Back her off. Looking good. Shut her down. Get out the old micrometer. 1 to 2. That's the 1 to 2 mic I got there. Doing some measurement. We're within 5 of what I wanted to be, but I still have some more to cut off. Yeah, I'll flip that piece over and run the other side down that you can see the fat end. I want the whole entire piece to be one number. So, good.